So recently I saw someone use Italian dressing as a marinade. I want to do it. So last night, cue the flashback. I poured a bunch of I'm gonna call it Thousand Island dressing 50 times in this fucking video, just watch. I marinated some wings in some Italian dressing. Boom, let's get going. Let's get these out of here. Ooh, it's gonna be good. Fuck yeah, dude. Normally I would pat these dry, but I kinda wanna keep that on there and see how it goes. We're only doing salt and pepper today. For salt, we're doing Osmo Creamy Ranch. Today we're burning that Jealous Devil Max Briquettes. These things are huge. Keep their heat for, I think, eternity. All right, we got our coals on this side. We're gonna put our wings right here. You'll wanna put the drums, because they're bigger, closer to the flames. And I like to do skin side down, and then the flats farther because they don't take as long to cook. Skadoosh. So the grill's running at about 400 degrees. These wings will probably only take 20 to 30 minutes. And then in the meantime, let's make a little sauce. A little
Italian dressing hot honey sauce.
It's gonna be an insanely simple sauce. It's just gonna be Italian dressing and some Melinda's hot honey. Not too much of this because it is pretty runny. Good amount of honey in there. Let's get this kind of thick. And then we whisk.
Whisk.
That's pretty cool. Let's check on the wings.
Hi.
So we are at about 180, 190 on these. So we're gonna go ahead and move these to the hot side.
This is my favorite part.
Those are looking fantastic. Once they hit 200 degrees, that's when you take them off, put them in the sauce for a quick, and then let's feast. Okay, that's good. Italian dressing marinade, and then just salt and pepper. Italian dressing with some hot honey. This is fantastic. Super easy, super simple. These would be really good game day wings. Definitely try this recipe out. Like and subscribe, all that. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks guys.